operate. It's called the Violence Against Women Act, and it's a federal legislation that was introduced about 8 years ago. It's just re-signed by the president this year. And what it does is that women who are the victims of domestic violence, or men, just anyone who's the victim of domestic violence, and the perpetrator is someone who is a legal resident and is using their status to be able to victimize the person, those individuals are then able to apply for a visa on their own so that they no longer have to live with the perpetrator. And so we have that program. We offer that to people who come. We fill out the paperwork. It's a long process because they have to basically work with law enforcement to document the fact that they were victims of domestic violence. We have to work with the district attorney's office to get the case filed and turn all that into immigration so that they can see it was a legitimate case and not something that was just made up for purposes of circumventing the process. So we do get a lot of folks who are hesitant to report it to law enforcement for the same fear that they're going to be questioned or deported. But through that program, what it does is it gets them a temporary visa to allow them to stay here while they go through the process of immigration. And so at one point, we've had over 150 women that we've helped over the course of the last couple of years. But we know that there's a lot more out there who don't come forward because they're scared. And so we also offer 4 different diversion programs as an agency. We offer the domestic violence, we offer the anger management, we offer the drinking, DUI program, and then the parenting classes. So anyone who goes or is convicted of a crime through the courts, and part of their probation is that they have to do a program, they usually come to us. And so we